Hi there, students. Amid and amidst. And I'll also have a little look at the adjective mid. Okay, amid and amidst, the meaning is the same. They're both prepositions. I think amidst is probably slightly more formal and slightly more literary than amid. So, amid, in the middle of something, among, surrounded by. So, he was lost amid the crowd. He walked playfully amid the trees. I went to work amid a myriad of computers. Sorry, commuters, not computers. Okay, so you can use it physically, meaning among. Notice the adjective mid is between. So he stopped mid-sentence. Midsummer was very hot. Mid-class, the fire alarm rang. So mid with a noun, between 2 points. Whereas among, asymmetrically, in the middle of a group surrounded by. So, amid, among the commuters, amid the commuters. Now, you can also use amid figuratively, meaning in an atmosphere of, against a background of, or throughout the course of, or during. So he kept calm amid the shouting, during the shouting, or with a background of shouting. Governments appear lost amidst this COVID epidemic. Amid accusations of corruption, with a background of, the politician resigned. The doctors worked amidst the dead and dying. Very brave of them. He received the prize amid the cheers and clapping of his peers. So we also use it here while something else is going on. Yeah? Something that is the background to it. And during that, somebody does something else. Amid the singing, he felt very secure. So with all the sound around him, he felt very secure. So, amid, probably something like, I give it 6.5 in formality. I'm thinking about, would I use amid in an informal conversation? Amid the drinkers in the pub. No, I think I'd probably use among. I guess you could just about use amid. And then amidst, maybe 7.5. It certainly sounds more literary. I think maybe amid for a semi-formal conversation or for a formal writing, amid, and particularly amidst for the formal writing. Yeah? Notice amid is a preposition meaning among, whereas mid is an adjective saying halfway between 2 points. Okay? So, yes, between and among, amid and amidst, and mid. Okay, so mid video, the teacher didn't know what to say amidst the various sounds that were assailing him while he was trying to make it. No, it's been quite quiet here. So, what about the origin? Well, amid comes from Old English. Midis, so amidst, it's the same thing. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Amid, amidst, and mid.